What we're gonna do today is gonna be a short video, but we're gonna do a cold start on the truck because here in Houston it is like 32 degrees, I believe. It's not snowing or anything. There isn't any ice, but it's really cold out there. And we haven't turned on the truck in 2 days, so hopefully we could get a good cold start video out of the truck. So we're about to head to the yard and we're gonna check that out. Hola amigos, bienvenidos a otro nuevo video. Hoy vamos a hacer un cold start en nuestro camión. Vamos a prender el motor frío porque está bien frío ahorita en Houston. Está a 32 grados, me imagino. Y espero que podamos agarrar un buen cold start. We just got to your yard, guys. Ya llegamos a la yarda, amigos. Y ahí está nuestro camión. Bueno, amigos, aquí estamos y mi papá va a prender el camión ahorita. Y aquí está. Aquí está el camión de mi papá. Ahorita lo vamos a prender. A ver cómo prende. Como está de frío, aquí hasta hay un poquito de hielo, no tanto, pero sí hay, está bien frío aquí en Houston. Well, look guys, we did the coaster and look how much ice there is here. There's a lot of ice, not that much, but there is some ice. It's really cold right now here in Houston. Oh guys, I'm in the truck now. It is so cold that when I talk, like inside the truck with the door closed, you can see like vapor coming out of my mouth. Yeah, it is really cold here in Houston. Guys, the coaster is pretty cool. Like, believe it or not, I didn't think it's gonna be this cool. Cause I never seen a cold start before. It's my first time seeing a cold start like that, and especially on a Detroit 360. 12%. I seen it on YouTube, so I don't think it was that cool. But now that I've seen it in person, it's pretty cool. I want to see like a C15 610Z Caterpillar dual cold start. So once I get home, I'm probably gonna search it up. Well, that's a pretty cool cold start here. I don't know if you guys saw, but there's a lot of smoke. Bueno amigos, ya vamos llegando a la casa y eso va a ser todo para el video hoy. Solo fuimos a prender el camión para que se caliente un poquito y pueda prender más fácil. También les voy a dejar saber, tengo un nuevo Instagram y Facebook. Tuve que crear uno nuevo por una razón. You see, well guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. We got home. You just went and turned on the truck for a little bit so it could heat up. And yeah, that's gonna be it for the video. By the way, I have a new Instagram and Facebook, so y'all can go follow that. And have a great rest of the day, guys, and stay safe.